Hello, my name is Sarah Burt, and today I will be presenting on career data that would be relevant for client I have been working with on career decisions. Counselors have three responsibilities in providing career data to clients. First, they are to select a high-quality print materials, computer-assisted career guidance systems, and websites. The second responsibility is to make these high-quality resources known to clients and make them user-friendly as possible. This may include acquainting clients with their resources, illustrate how to use them, and refer them to specific resources that may be helpful at a given point in their decision-making process. The counselor must be familiar with the resources in order to suggest them to a client. The third responsibility is to help the client process or make data meaningful and useful. The goal is to turn data into information. The client will need to absorb and understand the data so they can make an important career decision. This is the most important role of the counselor. This presentation is focused on what type of information I would share with the client I worked with the last session who was unhappy with his current job environment. The client is currently a regional health and safety manager for a construction company. He stated he used to be passionate about his job, but lately he has not been motivated and does not enjoy his work. I had my client take assessments to see what environment his personality fit best, to get an idea of his values, and to provide insight into his personality. I will be going over his assessment results, different occupations to consider, additional education that may be needed, and resources to help him if he decides to leave his current job. First, I would provide and have a collaborative discussion about my client's assessment results. According to the Strong Interest Inventory assessment, the client's Holland themes include realistic, enterprising, and conventional. His interests include machines, working outdoors, business leadership, entrepreneurship, organization, data management. Skills include mechanical skills, verbal ability, motivation of others, and attention to detail. His interests include agriculture, athletics, military, construction, and sales. The Career Journey Assessment stated his work values are having independence of being trusted to make decisions on his own, income, and a lifestyle where tasks and work do not conflict with leisure activities and family. In the Myers-Briggs assessment, the client scored an extrovert, sensing, feeling, judging. In other words, an ESFJ, which describes him as one that flourishes with harmony and uses their social intelligence to make sure people know their responsibilities. ESFJs enjoy organizing and managing other people and bringing structure into the workplace. We found that this was congruent with his current job. After identifying and explaining my client's assessment results, if he wanted to explore different career options, I would provide occupational data. The National Career Development Association states that occupational descriptions should provide the client with duties and nature of work settings and conditions, preparation required, special requirements or considerations, methods of entry, earnings and other benefits, unusual advancement possibilities, employment outlook, opportunities to experience and exploration, related occupations, sources of additional information in the labor market in general and its needs. The client's top occupations that are linked to his personality are grounds manager, law enforcement, military, Parks and Recreation, Construction Manager, First Line Supervisor, and Farm and Ranch Manager. If my client identified a new career path he would have like to pursue, information about different types of schools, training, and degrees and certifications would be provided. This may include information on private vocational schools, technical schools, which provide training-specific vocational fields with 3-month to 2-year timeframe. Public community colleges, which provides credits that transfer to a 4-year college, or career-related majors are available. Other options include 4-year colleges and university and graduate programs. The client I am working with already has a 4-year college degree in management, so I would explore continued education and certificates he may need to make a career change. Continued education always presents financial obligations. So I would also discuss the opportunities of financial aid for the program that he decided to pursue. If my client did not need to do additional schooling or training, I would help him find jobs that were hiring and assist him in writing a resume, interviewing skills, and identifying job openings. In order to help my client find the correct job and promote himself, I would recommend technology that would aid him further. Users of technology and computer-assisted systems have higher career decision-making self-efficacy, a greater sense of control over decision-making, and an increased confidence in career decision-making. To help in his occupation information gathering, I would recommend using ONET or OneCenter.org. To further support finding certificate programs, I would tell him to explore the RWM Vocational Schools database at rwm.org or search for colleges at search04careercolleges.com. I would suggest furthering his interview skills, job search, and career preparation by conveniently using Interview Pro, JobMo, LinkUp, Visualize Me on a cell phone. I would encourage my client to use social media, such as LinkedIn, to promote himself, look at company pages, and gather information about the industry's happenings. Although my client decided he would rather remain at his job, he gained more awareness about himself and possibilities in the future if he did not want to stay in the same position. He stated he felt less stuck. We discussed the barriers he was having in his current job and decided to focus on his leadership skills so he could relate more to the differing personalities on his team. We had a discussion about his personality type, and he decided to give his employees some personality tests to see how he could better serve them. I was able to help him find leadership conferences and trainings to aid him to be a stronger leader. Collaboratively working and providing clients with information about the assessments, occupational options, schooling, helping them with job skills, and providing them with technology that could aid in his job search and career development will empower them to find and acquire a fulfilling career. Having the support and information will help them make informed decisions and will provide them with the confidence and skills needed in the future. Thank you.